Welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Elise Secret. Today I go tell you 5 things. I say what you 5 things the way you will make and they will go put some small thing for your head. 5 things that you make and they will go put some small thing for your head. Yes. See, if you do these 5 things that I tell you, they no go put some small thing for your head. Come back ask me. Come back and ask me. I tell me say, Mama Lee, you are sick, you need to work. My sister, I will tell you 5 things. Stay after this, after my intro. I tell you 5 things that you will do and know. You go put the tomorrow for your head. Nah, so you will send me save the date. I said you go send me save the date. Stay tuned. Le bas ventre et le ventre, le tout est joué. Neb na lie way it talk. Na true. My sister, after you don't finish make that two joué, the bas ventre be very important. After you don't feed it up there, you need to feed for your belly. Yes. My sister, make sure you make some small things. My sister, even if na dodo and egg after una get sex, woke up onto that bed, go for kitchen, make some small things. I said even if na just cereal, make some small things. You know, after sex, hungry bad for knack man, hungry bad for knack man. So my sister, take note, take pen, write them for down. At Mama Elise Secret, number 1. After una get sex, make some small thing, bring onto that bed. No una feed on herself. No una feed on herself, From that round 5 go enter. Yes. Number 2. Una no say man picking the life for be pampered. Yes. If you go the same way, woman that told the life will be pampered, but my sister, now you want me to go put small thing for your head now? So do the thing. Man picking the life will be pampered. Yes. Pamper you sherry cocoa ye lesson a small picking. Yes, man picking the life will be pampered. And number 2 that. Number 3, my sister, she don't for a corner. Learn for she don't na get talk. You know just only be na say what's how they go chop, what's how they go club, what's the program for the weekend. Believe na only program. You need to learn for she don't for a corner. Na knack jackry. Una do something in common. If my sister, if na football way like my sister, you need to learn that football though. Learn them. Google something. Learn. You need for learn with you need for she don't work on trade it now. Do something in common. My sister, if you don't know what to do in common, check what you like you learn them. You start doing. Yes. Now you want me to go put something for your head. Learn them. Learn something when I do something in common. When I talk. When I get to talk because you need only as I talk, you need only bopping. Yes. When I get to talk about anything, when I know if you talk, when I jackery. When I even conversa, when I want conversa. Yes. Couple they live long, they battle conversa between them two. The next one, man picking a tribe. When I say tribe, I mean ikafiage. Ikafiage be very, very important. My sister, you need to level up. You need to top up your game so that no. When ikafiage see you, so you say, "Chai, my man, chai." You don't knock jackpot. When they see you, say, "Oh boy, you chap the cam." They say, "I'm not saying ikafiage, it is my man." You don't knock jackpot. No man picking, no go leave get away. The cafe stays no. He don't knock jackpot, you leave him. My sister, no. I talk to plenty talk to now because the two way we get to up game now because the access them too much. You know, woman they now they don't make things them be so accessible. Like my sister, you need for calculate, do mathematics, do some kind thing them before they go put something for your head. Because I talk the access be so open. Get there they send me picture. Get there they send a whole pornography film where they act only them from beginning to the ending. So the access be too much. So my sister, if now only for down there to say you go do anaconda. My sister need now only anaconda. They need that this time around. You need to top up, you need for stand up, you need for job, you need to be unique. Yes. You need to be unique. So now the secret in that is you. So number 5, now show interest for his passion. When I say show interest for your passion, you not say you just follow it. Get your own passion and then show interest for your own passion. Because say see man beginning this, so the one no woman we know you need to get something going. But show also interest for it, encourage you for to what you do. You see I know where it will not say this woman if he take care for himself and then if he still care for me. See I know. Get a voice for, you know, get your own voice and stuff like that. Get a passion. Because for this time I had person for get passionate. If you ask some person say, my sister, what to be passionate of? I don't know. So if you feel know your own passion and then encourage another man in passion, my sister chapeau, they go put some small thing where I nana so. Yes. And the last small do I want add na was. My sister, man picking no like man waiting say you over independent. Because I told man picking the little small picking, you need for be pampered. But you need for sure them say no. You need them for your life. Yes. Show you say no, you need it. Without it, beaucoup de choses ne vont pas marcher. Like plenty things no go work. My sister, I had to tell you so. If you want me to go put small thing for your head, do the thing. You need or need this man picking for your life. You need or need it. Yes. If you do it, your motor is spoiled for road. My sister, if you know if you call it, make them help you. You carry yourself, now you call mechanic. Now mechanic they can push your motor. Your tire spoil, now you the move them. Your bubble, now you Miss Independent. I can do it all. Men don't want women that can do it all. My sister, more than one for your head. Men don't want women that can do it all. You know if you do one, you can't do it all. You gotta call him, brother, bro. I don't have money for gas. They like that kind of thing. I tell you, my sister, I tell you so. Men, they like those kind of things. Because if you show if you do one, oh my sister, check your phone. You go see some girl will ask you 100 of credit. You go see some girl will ask you 25. You go see some girl will ask you, babe, please, my part is finished. You for the claim is independent. I don't ask for anything. I don't ask. If you like it, give me. My sister, ask. Yes, man picking they like to be asked. No, she don't think say. You go think them. They need to think. They need to think say you need them. You need to ask them what you want them to do. Ask them. My sister, if you get some 2-in-1 hanger for war, wait to take come back. If you close at 11 o'clock, wait me come back at 11 o'clock. Babe, I have this frame. I want you to help me fix it. Trust me, will come for your apartment, go help you fix it. And when I finish help you fix it, my sister, learn for appreciate. Learn for appreciate. Now so that you take and go put something for your small heads. Yes. We need them. You need these men. You need to show you say you need it. No. And this is some getting like I can do it all. I can do it all. Inside this snow, inside the corner, then that the day for the pump with the pump gas. My sister, you get man for your life, you the pump gas. you go wash your motor. They spoil you. They will put small thing for your head now when I beg can't chop sense. Can't chop sense. And then you send me save the date. Yes. If you do this 5 things you are done, my sister. They will put small thing for your head. And when they put that small thing for your head there, can't tell me. If you know work, I can't tell me. Change my name. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. My sister, don't forget to, we need these men there for our life. We need them. We can't do without them. Yes, we can't do without them. No compromise for my channel here. They tell me feminist, and this is not about feminism or anything. We need them in our life. If you want me to go put some nothing for your head, you better need him. Thanks for watching.